So one of the main draws about Omdena was they've done a lot of projects like this in the past. You know, they have AI ML specialities, but they also have sort of renewable sector you know, history, a lot of successful projects. So it was just perfect for what we were looking for. Flexibility, the idea of not having to sign up to, you know, a huge development project up front is incredibly attractive because we're a startup. There's constant communication. You know, we're refining, we're answering questions. The communication's just great. You know, we Slack channel. So yeah, it feels like a real collaborative effort. And at each stage, you know, we're left in a good position to be able to run this technology ourselves, knowing that we can always come back and ask some questions. So yeah, it's just been exactly what we needed and wanted to deliver our project. So thank you, guys. Absolutely, yeah. I mean, the ease that we've had with Omdena from literally from the initial contact and then the initial conversations. You know, it was with Fabio initially. He sort of knew what we needed. You know, he filled in a lot of the blanks. We came with a, you know, back of a small piece of paper idea about what we needed. Fabio helped us fill in the blanks, helped us flesh out the requirements. You know, through to working with Rasha, who built the team for us that we needed. You know, the advice of which specialities we needed. You know, so if you want a highly skilled team with as much flexibility as you want to build into project delivery, then yeah, I couldn't recommend you guys any higher than I do.